Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life and today I'm unboxing my submission for the Creatures That Fly event that's being held by Mindy's Diamond Moment and Jenny the Uncrafty Crafter. So I am a lover of birds and so I'm really looking forward to this one. And of course I love this artist. I'm just going to take the plastic off before I flip it over here for you. It's a square, so it's going to take me a little bit longer to do. I didn't realize that when I was looking at it, but I am really looking forward to it. So this is called, we'll just do it this way, Tropical Birds by Patrice Murciano. It is a square 31.5 centimeters by 31.5 or 12.4 by 12.4. So it is a small one, which just based on my whole life right now, I think it's the perfect size for me. I do have a backup that is dragonfly. It's a partial, which is also a creature that flies. So I will have that if I get this one finished early. I'm so excited right now. You guys caught me in a moment. I am speechless because it looks like I have the new toolkit. Oh my god. I did not expect this painting to have it. So we will just give you that. There is the little sticker. A lot of people use these in their log books. I just collect them. I like having them. This one got a little bent, but that's okay. And let's look at this new toolkit. Now I know some of you already know what the new toolkit looks like. I, however, do not, and I have been wondering when and if I would ever see one. This is not a new release, so I was really not expecting it on this. Okay, so we've got our Diamond Art Club tweezers, an orange pen, and it looks like now, before they used to send you a 4-placer. It looks like now they send you a 4 and a... Is there a number on that? 7. Is that a 4? Yes, it's a 4. So a 4 and a 7-placer, and then your pink pen, and a little squishy that matches, or not my pink pen, sorry, it's an orange pen. I'm so used to saying pink pen. Squishy for your pen. A cute, cute, cute little rose cover minder. That is so cute. And it looks... Whoop! Okay, there's a thing with me and magnets and cover minders, okay, so we'll just like... That's nice. Really pretty. So they've upgraded their kits, and I'm just like super excited. And then look at this washi tape. Oh, that's so pretty. Yellow with kind of pink flowers in it. And there's some gilded designs into it as well. Oh, or foiled. And then you get your heart-shaped wax, and they now put it in a container to keep it protected, I think, like so that it stays, or it doesn't dry out. And actually that's awesome that they've done that, because I did notice that their wax always dried out really quick on me. And then their new little small tray that has a little stopper in it. I'm not sure how you put the stopper in, like this or like this. I guess it doesn't really matter, but that's kind of cool. So you can shake it around and not worry about your drills coming out there. So awesome. You also get all of your baggies if you do like to work out of baggies, which I do not, but baggies are always welcome because I use them to de-kit. Awesome. Whoa. So I'm just going to move this all off to the side. I was so excited when I pulled that out. It was like the first thing I pulled out. I was really excited. Awesome. Okay. Let us get into this. So, as I said, very, very happy that this is going to be a smaller painting, and this artist, I did what he also did, Chupa. I also have Buddha Feng Shui from him, and I have another one from him as well. I just can't think of it right now. But, so inside you get your bigger sticker along with the perforated stickers that you can put on your storage containers. I just need to photocopy that. You get a thank you for your purchase, as well as some instructions on how to diamond paint, including a code for your next painting. And that's just for any of you who don't already know and love Diamond Art Club. These are the drills. Let's just take a look at this beautiful painting. I love parrots. My very first trip down to Mexico was with my husband's work. It was one of the, like every year they send them on a retreat. They haven't for the last couple of years, but one year they sent them down to Mexico and said that families could come. And so we went with Greg, and then Caitlin and I just kind of went off and did our own thing while they were in their conferences. But one of the excursions we did was we had dinner and a show on a pirate ship, and it was a very, very fun experience. But as we were walking up to the ship, there was a guy there that had a big macaw, and he put it right on my shoulder, and oh my God. I was both terrified and in awe of the beauty and just so excited all at the same time. I didn't know what to do, but I was so happy that I got to see this great big huge bird. It was huge, but anyway, it was awesome. So I saw this. I don't know, I'm really, really excited. I'm very thankful. Thank you to Jenny and Mindy for putting on this event, because I think it's just perfect for me right now. The drill field looks amazing. There are 3 ABs on this. Wow. Okay. So I'm just going to bring this up. I'm going to move one of my lights out of the way here a little bit. Bring this up so you guys can see the drill field. Like, as always, Diamond Art Club, perfectly clear, very easy to read. Lots of white, but less white on this one than Chupa. So I think. But yeah, I'm really liking it. So one of the really nice things about, and just this again is for those of you who don't already know Diamond Art Club, is they have an incredibly soft canvas material. I think it's made out of tarpaulin, something like that. But it lays down flat pretty quickly on its own, and it's just a very, very nice, soft, luxury feel to it so far as diamond canvases go. The other thing that they do that is really, really nice is that they scallop the edges so that you do not get little frayed pieces coming off of it. So, and then also that they brand. So you got your thumbnail in the bottom corner, but they also tell you who the painting's by, the dimensions, and that it's from Diamond Art Club, so that you know who it is that you're, who it's licensed to. Across the bottom, you will find their different social media links, and then as well as their lifetime guarantee that protects you from any damage to the canvas or loss of beads or not enough beads. And by beads, I mean drills. I like kick myself every time I say that. But all right, let's get into these beautiful colors. Looks like lots of white, because like obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna start most to least, I think, is how I'm gonna work it. But we've got 1, 2, 3, actually I've got to turn this around, guys, because I can't read upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of white, 3371, so that's 5200, I think that is the pure white. 3371, funny story, my Chuck Pinson painting that I just did, I ran out of 3371 and had to go into my old, well, I was looking through, I keep all my drills, and I was looking through my old Chuck Pinson painting, and I was able to get enough to finish out what I needed to on my Chuck Pinson Sanctuary painting. I don't know why that was so hard for me to talk. Talking actually is hard for me sometimes. 915, 321, 917, 699. Lots of, just like lots of color, right? 814, 602. Love that bright 444. And then right beside it, that butter yellow, 745. 890, another really bright yellow, almost orange, a little bit of an orange tinge to it. 742, 700, 741, 666, and 154. That's the first one. Oh, 154. Okay, hang on. Did I come across any of... No, because I would have noticed if any of them were the ABBEYs. So then we'll keep going here. We've got a little one of 815, 3811. I really like that color. That was in my Chupa painting, I think. 603, 740, 336. That's a real pretty navy-ish color. 907. For the green. I don't know what I just did there. I'm just in a mood, you guys. 606. Have I not come across any yet? Wow, they must all be together. 3607, 3843, 780, 3814, 993, and here's our first one, 124. It's a pink. Pretty. And then right beside it is a blue, 138. That's pretty. 995, 832, 519, 134. Pretty green with the ABBEY coating on it. 647 and 413. So not huge amounts of each of the colors except for the white. I mean, obviously, because the whole outside of the painting is white. And it looks like there's going to be some confetti in here for sure. But that's okay. They're beautiful birds, so that's okay. It's all good in my book. So let's just take a look here. The pink is number one. I just want to show you guys where on the canvas you're going to find it. So there is some right along the outside here, a little bit here in the tip of the wing, a little bit here in the scruff where the scritch, where you scritch their necks. So just like little bits of it, a little bit there, a little bit here, just kind of on the periphery. The number two is the green. I'm just trying to see. So I see some of the green up here in the crown. Where else? Little tiny bit down there. So like these are not huge sections of ABBEY. This is the biggest section I've seen actually so far, right in here. There's quite a bit right in there. Where else? A little bit in there and a little bit up there. And the last one was the blue, and the blue is oh wow, it looks like there's a fair amount of it kind of in through this wing, right in through here. And in through here, a little bit in through here, here. So actually there is a fair amount of it in this area here. Not any of it in here. Like on this second bird, I don't see any. So just like in through the beak, the shoulder, the wing, and this shoulder. Very, very nice. So just one more quick look at that. Look at that eye. Oh, you guys, I love birds. You have no idea how much I love birds. So there you go, just to give you one more look. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a time lapse and kit this guy up so it's all ready to go. So.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. sign. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
Okay, you guys, so Patrice Murciano from Diamond Art Club, all kitted up. It's my tropical birds for the Creatures That Fly event, otherwise known as hashtag flyfreedpalong. And that's being hosted by, again, Jenny from The Uncrafty Crafter and Mindy from Mindy's Diamond Moment. Can't wait to get it started. Thanks so much for watching me put this together. If you guys would like to further support the channel, I'd love it if you gave me a thumbs up, as well as hitting the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I do lots of diamond painting videos. You can also check me out on Instagram at Dawn Does Life or TikTok at Dawn Does Life for real. And I think that's gonna about wrap it up. I will catch you guys all in the next video. Until then, bye.